What's up, people? This is Platinum Style Auto Body, showing you guys another car that we're right here getting ready to finish detailing and finish painting. So this car, basically these come with the chrome grills in the front. So all the grills we went ahead and did in black. The emblem, as you see, also done custom red and black. The R, they come chrome, red and green. We did them all black. So this is a new look for the front. Okay. The vents, these are chrome. The Supercharged edition, so went ahead and added red to this. Got the brake calipers, we went ahead and did them red. They were silver before. We're gonna put 24s on here. Now all of these cars, they come with the roof. The pillars are normally same color as the car. This one has the glass top. So we went ahead and paint the back piece black for everything to look black complete. Smoke the lights. You see the side ones. The emblem in the back, we did them all black. All these used to be chrome. The strip right here on the bumper used to be chrome. We did it black. So stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and show you part 2 with the wheels. Also the pieces right here on the pillars, we went ahead and did them black again. That way everything's all nice and shiny. The mirrors, also went ahead, did them black again.